Fixing a deactivated PayPal account depends entirely on how the account was closed in the first place, and I'm going to guide you through the process right now. If you voluntarily deleted and closed the account yourself, it cannot be reactivated because the security architecture completely deletes the account framework upon closure. In my case, I had to open a brand new PayPal account using the exact same email address and bank details, which works perfectly fine as long as the old account had a zero balance and no pending issues. Now, that goes both ways. If PayPal limited or suspended your account due to unusual activity or a terms of service violation, this is a temporary block, and you can actually fix it. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone instead of the app. Log into your account and click on the bell icon in the top right corner or navigate directly to the Resolution Center. PayPal will explicitly list the exact steps required to lift the hold. You will need to click the Upload button and submit clean, uncropped photos of a government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport, along with a recent utility bill matching the exact name and address on your profile. If you were flagged for sales or transfers, you must upload receipts, supplier invoices, or tracking numbers. The important thing is, if you accidentally use the friends and family option for a business transaction, you need to type a clear note to the agent clarifying the mistake. If customer service denies your claim and says the decision is final, you can still bypass regular support. Scroll to your email client and send a formal, professional appeal directly to executive office at paypal.com explaining your situation clearly. Many users report secondary manual reviews overturning automated bans within 48 hours. The trade-off is, if your account is permanently deactivated for a policy violation, PayPal will hold your remaining balance for 180 days to cover potential buyer credit card chargebacks before you can withdraw it.